Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to add files and folders on OneDrive backup. So let's get started. First, go to your taskbar. Normally your OneDrive icon should be here. If you can't find it here, tap on this up arrow and here it is. Open it. Then tap on the setting icon which is on the top right corner. Then tap on settings. Then under sync and backup section, tap on this manage backup. Now to add files and folder on backup, simply enable this button by clicking it. And as you can see, it is enabled and it's ready to backup. Tap on Save Changes. To view progress, you can tap on this button, View Progress. And here it is. Now to add any files or folder on backup which is not showing here, open your File Explorer. Then go to your OneDrive folder. Here it is. To add any other folder on backup, simply copy it and paste it here, and it will also be backed up. And guys, that was it. This is how you add files or folders on backup in OneDrive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.